In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to create anticipation for an upcoming product or gauge customer interest before a full launch, setting up a pre-order is a fantastic strategy. Today, we'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your online store. To kick things off, we start by adding a product to your store. Navigate to your Pages panel, where you'll find your store page. Here, you're going to click on the plus button, which allows you to add a new product. This step is similar to adding any regular product to your store, but remember, this setup differs slightly as it revolves around pre-orders. Once you've clicked to add, you'll need to fill in all the essential product details. These include the product name, an engaging and descriptive product description, and, of course, the price. It's crucial to be as detailed as possible in this section to make sure your customers are well informed about what they're pre-ordering. With your product details in place, let's move on to managing stock levels. In the inventory section, you'll need to set the stock level to a number higher than 0. This step is important because it ensures that your product is shown as available for purchase. Moreover, by monitoring pre-orders, you'll get valuable insight into how much interest there is in your product, which can be incredibly useful for planning production and inventory. The next task is to update your product description to clearly communicate that the item is available for pre-order. This transparency is essential for maintaining customer trust. Make sure you include all pertinent information, like the expected shipping date, along with any terms related to cancellations, shipping, and returns. By including this information up front, you can prevent potential customer service issues down the line and set clear expectations with your buyers. Now, let's customize the Add to Cart button, a subtle yet effective way to highlight that this is a pre-order item. In the product editor, scroll down until you find the Checkout section. Once there, click on the Custom button. You'll see an option to enable the Custom Label toggle. Switch this on and enter Pre-order as your custom label. Through this small change, you can enhance the customer experience by providing a consistent and clear message about the availability of your product. Finally, remember to click Apply to save these changes. And there you have it. You've set up a pre-order for your product on Squarespace. By following these steps, you'll not only generate buzz around your upcoming product, but also gather essential data on customer demand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide will help you successfully integrate pre-orders into your store strategy. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below.